Welcome to the Backshop Clinic. I'm Rick Green. With me is David Woodhead. We're going to have some fun. We're going to look at what happens when you're in the minority of the minority. And in this case, in model railroading, we're already kind of a minority anyway. So let's talk about what we're going to talk about.
Yeah. So basically, I've chosen a really tiny, narrow niche of modeling. And what that means is that I can go into most hobby stores and not find a single thing that I need.
Great.
Which saves money. You want to know how to save money in the hobby?
Yeah, well, glue, paint.
Yeah, that's right. Magazines, maybe, stuff like that. What I'm doing is I'm modeling in ON3, which is a minority scale. It's O scale, but it's 3-foot gauge trains. And I'm modeling specifically Eastern North American prototypes, so not Colorado. And I would say that
most people are Colorado.
Most people in narrow gauge are interested in Colorado, and there's a zillion products available for the Colorado model.
And the nice thing about Colorado mine is that you don't have to learn to make trees. So
no, actually aspens. Aspens.
Okay.
Yeah.
But for an Eastern railroad, as yours is, there's a lot of trees.
There are a lot of trees. It gets a little tedious.